Does your child write numbers backwards? Are you looking for an easy number writing activity for kids? Well, you're at the right place because this video is perfect for you. Today, I'm going to show you an easy trick to remember how to write numbers correctly. You're watching Ask a Kid, where grown-ups ask questions and kids answer them. Today's question says, "Dear kid, my child writes numbers backwards. Do you know an easy way to help them remember how to write numbers correctly?" Why, yes, I do. I too suffered from backwards number writing until I did this easy number writing activity for kindergartners. All you need is your hand and something to write with. It's understandable why kids would write numbers backwards. It happens so often it even has a name. It's called letter reversal. Letter and number reversals are quite common with children below second grade. In case you haven't seen it, I have another video with B and D letter reversal activities. The link is in the description box below. With letters, the main vertical line is often on the left. But with numbers, the main vertical line is sometimes on the right. It's a little bit confusing for us kids, but by doing this number writing activity, your kids will master numbers in no time. Come with me. I'll show you. All you will need is your hand and something to write with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. This can also work if you are outside and don't have anything to write with. All you need are your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Doing this simple writing activity will help your kids become masters of writing numbers. If you have a question that you would like to ask a kid, leave your question in the comments section down below. You can ask questions about anything: school, fun stuff, games, playing. I have lots of answers, and I bet you have lots of questions. If you enjoyed this episode of Ask a Kid, subscribe to my channel for more questions answered by kids. I'll see you next time. Bye.